them audios and videos from South Africa. It's very interesting. On Facebook page at for na oba bo say asade e see here is it Turkey, yeah, where the road omo kwan kese a eda South Africa Johannesburg and explosion akoso underground. Na chesa ayasade earthquake no kasa echo dani butu, and it was so chaotic. In fact, Osha said the video no esi kwa mo South Africa
Akoma FM 87.9
Ghana for mo ubetimi asende WhatsApp edi amayen from the producer ni enya details what exactly happened, but this is the video. Therefore very interesting. Ekwan ni mo tisanka Ghana ha na bantama edum na ekwan ni mo achemienu e break chese cars adane. It was so chaotic, and obiya adwane
Jesus, what is happening?
Look at
the whole Joburg. Look at cars.
So terrible. Very terrible.
God. Thank God nobody died. Nobody died. God. God, what is happening? Hey, look at blood here. Somebody got injured, seriously. The whole road, the whole Johannesburg road is fucked up. The whole Joburg road is fucked up. The whole Joburg road.
And we video that just say Obia Jane to save the life, and it's like a kind of bie and a pie and usha the stretch so only the road a quite a dine that is your
look at
cars name or over Facebook page I'll be the picture ni so terrible and interesting. And I'll pay more Facebook page I'm share from South Africa. Wait to me on my details. Exactly what was the problem? What happened?
Jesus. Oh boy, you don't know what thing that happened again for South Africa. Whether they want to destroy the country, we don't know. Huh? The mountain now down there, now all the cars did that finish now. See cars on top.
Okay, why am I showing this video? Me show this video
Akoma FM 87.9 Kumasi.
Because of Emiabe and San Ghana ha. I am here we'll get to this scene. Obuase Konongo ene Odumase ene enclave. In fact, yeah, they mining gold didi ekuro nyina. Oko South Africa omo kuro nyina ya mining town. And omo didi omo kuro nase ene kuro sinsen ho. Like Obuasi kuri. Now South Africa the different is omo timi development through these things omo ye. But Kumasi akoko pi Obuase. And yet 2016 Obuase kwan yetimi ye no pantwen bia. Anwan kwanta kokohwe. There be a police fo gina na no esu start to abusafo. Cars twam na wanto ne Obuase a. Ewuo ene de beba kurimu. Na no ni yakwa kopie Konongo Odumase na amna akevin enra sofo ba ko frame was kofi ye mission house aye one of the villages ewo Konongo. Ya the excavators abe good dying in year 2 adan a so ye say omonya direction ye omu wi a na omo nkata so na amna omo kata so na omo ni skanti no omo ni galamse nim sika no omo de akata so. This is what we are seeing. Then minister Frey so disturbed Govi this is because I'm assembly niska nti na no kokofu program abe launch no ha no manfo afa ho di 2 galam say and Ghana for should watch out oboasefo konongo odumasefo konongo kronim mia hodo a yedidi asase ase a yetu sase ni nyina years to come we are likely to face these things memu. Pepe, good morning.
Coffee, good morning.
Na abusiafo ho ye de.
Adomono ekura ye okese na hu ye mobonti bibia dedem.
Ena efia da.
Yes.